Hello friends, welcome back to this new video. Today's topic is how to calculate total of numbers in filtered data in Microsoft Excel. As you can see in the screen, here I have a sales report that has date of invoice, customer name, product name, quantity sold and sales value. The requirement here is to calculate the total of quantity and sales value here in these two cells. And the totals should automatically change when I apply filter in the data. Suppose that if I use here the regular sum function, press equal to, type the sum function, bracket open, then select the quantity range, close bracket, press enter, drag this formula for sales value. In this case, if I apply here filter in the data, for example, if I select a specific product, that is refrigerator, click on OK. Here you can see the total is not changing. This total is for the whole data, but I need the total for refrigerator only. In this case, we have to use here a different function, that is the subtotal function. Let me delete the totals from here, clear the filter, then use here the subtotal function. Press equal to, then type subtotal, open bracket. Here in this function number, we have to select what we need to calculate. Here we need the total, so we have to select this sum function from the function number 9. So double click on this sum option, then put a comma, and here in the reference one we have to select the quantity range. So select the quantity range, then close bracket, press enter. The total is calculated. You can drag this formula for sales revenue. Now if you apply here filter in the data, for example, if I select laptop, click on OK. Here you can see the value is now updated for laptop only. If I select laptop and television, click OK. Now the total is showing for these two products. So this is how we can calculate the total of numbers in filtered data in Excel. If you want to practice this formula, you can download this sample data file from the link given in the video description section. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in another tutorial.